Smiler's face.
Those are awesome. This is way better than last year. No, it was the same. Just last year was that skyline. Oh, that is so awesome. That's why the other people can't be on that other bridge. It's funny, it's been going on the whole time because your attention is over there. You didn't even notice. Oh, it has? They do ones that don't make sound too. They light up the sky. Wow.
You can't even see that. That's way better than Hendersonville's yesterday.
The sound of them. Here it comes. This is the pretty one. These are the pretty ones. No, I'm doing this. Look, I'm doing this.
You could have actually saw all that from that bridge over there.
But it would have been more dangerous. It would have been more of a risk to your health.
That's pretty cool.
One of the little
like
things. One of the embers.
We ain't studying y'all now. Y'all do what y'all got to do. The fireworks have started.
I wonder how long these last.
I don't know. Probably about. It won't last long.
You know they're probably going.
You couldn't hear none of that on the video.
It's because all the black people walk from here every year, so they didn't think there's a million times. Be on these down.